Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to enable this YouTube sleep timer. So if you like watching videos before bed and want YouTube to stop playing automatically after a certain amount of time, just follow along. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and start playing any video you like. Next, tap the settings icon usually found in the top corner of the video player. Now look for the sleep timer option and then tap on it. You'll see several timer options such as 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. Or you can also tap at the end of the video, choose the amount of time you want. Once selected, YouTube will automatically stop playback when the timer expires. And if you want to cancel the timer before it ends, simply go back to the sleep timer option and turn it off. If you don't see the sleep timer feature, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. So that was how to enable YouTube sleep timer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.